Mlalisi siqala ihora lesibili ke manje lapha ohlelweni Ekhaya Jikelele sishisa bhe namhlanje njengoba phela ubonile ukuthi ziyaphohloka siyajiva ke kugogo uLwesihlanu ke namhlanje iFriday kanti zimfry ke kulabo abazothola laba bafana yazi ngiyambukela khona abatheke siyayihlaba namhlanje asiyi abanye ke sebeyifonela induna zabo bathi ayi umphathi namhlanje angiphumeleli ayi umphathi uvele wa blue tick ke akaphenduli lapho ke awusazi noma uye noma ungayi uzothi uyaya athi hawo mosuthi awuzi uthi hawoyi athi hawo ngeke ngasho ukuthi ungezi bese ungazi nje ukuthi wenzeni webaphathe ephendulani msana ukusibhuthika igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwamalo sibonga kakhulu ke mbukeli ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi la Ekhaya Jikelele ngehora lethu lesibili
kakhulu Mamtshali mbukeli ngoku singena ewe kwiyure yethu yesibini yenkqubo oko ke bonakalisa ukuba singena singaqali kwaye ke ngoqinisekileyo asigqibelisi ngoba kusekho nala yure yesithathu singayivayo isilinde ngomonde kanti ke asithi kwaqo kwiyure ngaphambili nalinqaku okanye elinye lamanqaku besinawo kokheli yombutho EFF uJulius Malima uqinisekisile ukuba cimicimi wombane ungasombululeka kwinyanga ezintandathu ukuba ke umbutho wakhe angaxhuzula imekhala emva konyulo nakuleke mbukeli iyure singena kuyo kuninzi esikuphathele kona qiniseka awugungqe awujiji qhosha uhlelezava unobele inkqubo ithanda kunene ndimlo unonkanyezi ke nomsantsa phakathi kwezinye amandla ngothi maziphu mamshukumo zonda ngezakhe mbukeli masishonge ziphala phambili kule yure
They are prepared to dismiss all this progress because it does not serve their narrative of a failed state.
Mongameli Cyril Ramaphosa bephendula imibutho yezopolitiki izolo ngelithi elilizwe lithe ichuli guquka ngokumanda ukuba libe ngcono.
Let's give Hugo support and Helman and the background staff and the boys. Let us allow them to continue the way they did in Ivory Coast.
Inkakha eyayidlala ibhola elinenkosi phakathi uDr Khumalo uthi unethemba lokuthi bafana ingakwazi ukuyodlala kwendebe yomhlaba elandelayo u16V ukusho lokhu ngemva kwemphumela egxilisayo etholwe yibafana kwe-AFCON.
Mongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi elilizwe lithe ichuli guquka ngokumandla ukuba libe ngcono. Mongameli ke bephendula amaqela aphikisayo bephendula kwintetho ayenze eParlamente kulwesine weveki ephelileyo. Mongameli Ramaphosa uthena kubeni kukuninzi okwenziweyo kusukela ngonyaka ka1994 kukho abo abathi abafuni kuvuma ukuba zikhona inguqu ezenziweyo kweli.
Intetho yokuvula iParlamente kamongameli isona ngamafuphi ihlaziywa ngokuhlaziywa sosela kuyenza kwakhe. Ukuqala ngolwesibini nayizolo onke mamele icakaco amaqela aphikisayo inikwe ithuba lokuba zityandigila ngayo.
And as they say in the classic, die hoogste boom vangt die meeste wind. And yes, and I know I will also catch the fiercest wind, but I catch it on behalf of the people of South Africa. That I know.
Umongameli uthi nangona zikhona inguqu kweli kukho abo benza ingathi akwenzeka nganto.
They are prepared to dismiss all this progress because it does not serve their narrative of a failed state. It does not serve their political aspirations and it does not serve their narrow interests. They do not want a national democratic society. They want to preserve racial privilege and to reverse the fundamental social and economic transformation that is taking place.
Ezigomba isifuba umongameli wazise ngendwendwe zakhe nezilulutsha luseze ngobuso isithi abanye kulomlitsela nomthinjana zinjineli amapolisa nabaqhubi benqolomoya aba athi xa ibabiza ngothi dzwalo.
We need to celebrate the fact that young people, yes, like Tintswalo, have had opportunities that were never available before. But we also need to recognize, as we did in the State of the Nation address, that young people like Tintswalo still have many challenges. Despite everything we have achieved, many South Africans, young and old, are concerned about the state of affairs in our nation, and rightly so.
phakathi kwezinye izinto ezizuzwe leli uthe ligalelo elidlalwa leli lomdibaniso ukuthetha igameni lama-Palestina esithi lo gama exhalabile ngemeko yabantu eGaza kodwa uchwayitile xa ebona iinzame zeli zixhaswa nangamanye amazwe ehlabathi.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi ingaxazululeka inkinga yogesi kulelizwe. Ubebambe isithangamini abeyindaba izolo eGoli.
Baza kuzijula ijacu kwaye bazibophelele. Umbutho we-EFF uthi ubekhe nje wangena kwizakhiwo zomdibaniso oyena nqontsonqa wabo iya kuba kusombulula intsumantsumane yocimicimi wombane ngokukhawuleza ukumandla.
Load shedding can end in 6 months. Brian Molefe is waiting, ready. Mashela Koko is waiting, ready. And many other professionals, including the current CEO, by the way, of Eskom.
Umalema umentla ekhusela ngako konke isithembiso salombutho sokunika abo bangaphangeliyo nabophumelele ibanga le-matric isibonelelo sewaka amawaka amathathu kwabo banezidanga kwanamawaka amane kwabo banezidanga ze-honors. Uqhube ngelithi lo mbutho akazinanto intsha kodwa uza kongeza nje kwisibonelelo ebebesele besifumana kakade abantu abangasebenziyo.
Why would you say you'll give graduates money? Where will the money come from? They are giving graduates money now. What do you say? Graduates with no source of income and no employment are given 350. There is a doctor somewhere who's called an unemployed doctor who gets 350. Why are you doing that to kids?
Umalema wongeze ngelithi amalungu e-EFF afuna ukuba ngamalungu eParlamente kwakufuneka abe ngumgangatho ophezulu. I-EFF ke ngoku iza kuqala ukuphehlelela imiqulu yezithembiso yonyulo kumaphondo ukuqala kule nyanga izayo.
Njengamanje ke ambukelise kwisikhathi sokuthi ke siphosa amehlo ke sibone ukuthi kumi kanjani lapha kusimo sezulu.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Msagati Kush all the way from Alexandria. This one is called Mahala. I'm gonna teach you a bit of Tsonga. Hope some of you understand, but let's go. Shoo. 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 Hey. Whoa.
Chumo yokala bamwani bosala ningahimba mibula nzita umelela semabona sofana mabangiyeke babasativa nzikoka hishikipa vadagama vanpeja bakonzo chinja zoranza ekta uo nzita bakomba shilo one tester hata lava mali one tester hata nikumanze nika festas living life ile loko botoka futu baenda loko shoo Megani komi, monolo yuan kelemela, manalo yuan tolobela, malina yona yon silandelela, osia mwina zomirangelela, panobonsonda mahala, kasimi sondela inina, letsutomi mahala, samahansi komaza, letsutomi mahala, inailaba majosila, kasule kwene majosila, loyo to my phone, inaitilela jos, fikanda wina mi boy, inautangela.
Let's go.
Banbale kule, jerimi fele milama, banbale kule, nana koshata me, banbale kule, shoo, banbale kule, kale, shoo, zokuteka meleke ma. So it is on the wrong
Thank you so much.
Nkosi kakhulu ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele Ekhaya Jikelele. Iqalakele bafana uDr Khumalo ukholelwa ukuba iqela lesizwe laseMzantsi Afrika lebhola ekhatywayo lingakwazi ukuya kwindebe yehlabathi yeFIFA ka-2026 eMelika, eCanada naseMexico. Iqalakele lenze ngapha kokulindelweyo ngokuphuma ke kwindawo yesithathu kwitumente yakutshanje ye-2023 Africa Cup of Nations e-Ivory Coast. Ibafana ke ethe yafumana imbasa yobhedo okokuqala ukusukela ngonyaka ka-2000.
For them to qualify, let's not dismantle it. It's not yet broken. So let's give Hugo support and Hellman and the background staff and the boys. Let us allow them to continue the way they did in Ivory Coast. So I would like to believe that yes, Nigeria is in our group and all that, but from what I've seen in Ivory Coast, I can tell you now that I can bet all my money and tell you that South Africa can overcome that obstacle. With SAFA, I have appointed the technical director, Walter Steinbock. I've worked with Walter, I've been with him in courses, and this is the right direction that we took in terms of having a technical director, because he knows exactly what is needed out of SAFA for us to have a continuation of the players and the technical team.
Mbukele yokamanje asinje qu 8 lemva komzuzwana siyabuya.
One more time, it's your boy Msakatsi Kush all the way from Alexandra.
Me and my team, we were able to reach out to those people and saying that, yo, there's a Tsonga kid out there from Alexandra and we want to try something. And they gave us that access. Kabza gave us all of his time for us to create a song. And big shout out to him, big shout out to Obama Poresa and Msakatsi Kush is out here today because we believed in ourselves, Saba approacher, and they gave us an opportunity and we're here today.
So ingoma lena, because it's the biggest song, I mean, right now, umthandazo. Like yona bekumqondo kabani nokuthi ubani oqhamuka nama lyrics, because I think more than anything abantu what I like about the song is the fact that it's a prayer. You know what I'm saying? It's a prayer. It's not just like, hey, siyagroova kumnandi, but it's like you can even see if we perform le ngoma because you know the people are like praying with, oh Lord, sivela abantwana bakho segrooving inkosi manje kodwa awusikhumbule inkosi asinamsebenzi si unemployed kurafu, but iculo leli libanikeza hope.
Of course, first things first, this song Okokala is not for us. This song was made for the people. And how the song came about, I was with Kabza and Sizwe.
Siphinde mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele sibonga ukuthi usahlezi kanye nathi. Ey kumnandi ekhaya Jikelele makhole. Yamnandi imthandazo.
Yo, sana ndayiva ngaphakathi into bana jonga uThixo uvile. Hayi
uvile and izolo bawungibuza ukuthi kuchaza ukuthini ukomelela sesitholile answer.
How?
Komelela ngwana wami no. Hold on my child.
Haw Nkosi yami and wena ubomi wena mamtshali ngamahla ndenyuka and umculo udlala indima ebalekile into bana sivuseleleke kuhle kakhulu ke xa sizova imiyalezo esizothi kwesisimo njengobusisho into bana kune issues unemployment kodwa xa umamela ingoma uyakwazi into bana ikuphakamise uzive unethemba uqonda ba nobuyavuka uyatyhala uthi
ngithanda indaba yokuthi ukhush ucula nangesitsonga you know ukuqhakambisa izilwimi zethu kubaleka kakhulu umbukeli ukuthi kuze ulimi lizoqhubeka manje kuyakujabulisa ukubona intsha ikakhulukazi lo mculo amapiano you know lo mculo omnandi ukuthi how there's somebody who's thinking good no let me do it ngesintu ngisha ngesitsonga ngiqhakambise isitsonga sasekhaya it's very nice and very nice to witness usasekhona ukukhush usazosipha ke futhi umculo omnandi
ndiye naqonda bana jonga khathi ke ndimgooglishe ndingene pha ku YouTube xa ndiyajonga le ngoma 12 million views pha ku YouTube and njengobusisho into bana le ngoma iyavuselela ne comments ziyatsho and yayifuna lena isuka pha kusibusiso pha ku YouTube kule ngoma ithi to everyone who is suffering from depression and anxiety please know that God is with you because this song hits the spot athi omnye user this song is a prayer for all unemployed and those on the verge of giving life in life. The victory is near. Uthi ke ngoku omnye those song vocals on the background are giving me some goosebumps. Uthi I don't understand the language but ezazandi into ethi you know when they say music is a spiritual language you may never understand the lyrics ne language kodwa izawuthetha nawe qonda ba ine goosebumps ndiziva ndinamalwele sathetha ngegoosebumps valaza
hayi ivalentine singene edlela khona sasiphumile kuya senza khona nosike yaba khona
kunento entshe khaca kuthiwa it was the Lerato Kganyago day apparently
again
hayi
ngeke angisafuni nokuzwa ngoba ngizoba jealous khosh cela ushaya into yakho lapho uzosinikeza icule limnandi lithi hlokoloza
yes
What's up? This one is for Gomora. Stand up. Sure. Fuhlale kasi enikasi each and every kasi ngelelakho. Asap. Sure. Yeah.
Intoni ngani khuli fele mbelekweni. Ever since ikhula kazi qonde amaseliseni. Khuphuka bobhalo lovu fele leseleni. Melu vula ingqondo umngane ubuthela isheleni. Intoni ngani ngathi push isnoko. Yazi ngathi push isnokonoko. Push ngathi uphethe isnokonoko. Bathi grip imanzi ngathi skoropo. Ebusuku ngilali ngathi yokoko. Suke endleleni. Shu, bathi ngasondlula uphambasani. Elikaslamsani. Bathi ntwana uzotandazawa.
Asabe.
Standazawa. Ngono ngithi mvuke mama ngoba impilo yami yahlokoloza bathi impilo ngathi yahlokoloza bathe kasuvuke ekseni uyibuke esipilini masovula umnyango sekushubile awuthi nyobabona le kwamili amagrotman aphethimisa kangemini ngisesinini naba nabo khata sebemile ngathi namba seyiphumile emoyeni seyibisiwe nyaka senekhethi kodwa akekho noyibonile ngikhalela nontwayizini izolo bamphakile he couldn't even take a 5 friend from me he need a milli ngeke ngothi pizza ngcono ngibamba uwanda edishe ngebhiya ngijike tsutsumani ugruntu baba uthwala highway burial talk about the one who gave my granny imali serious ngiyangcwala egaslam lapha e15 ngiyangcwala uSinemani wase 18 nabo meli bamba se13 ayadlala banyathanda igaslam asabe asondlula ubambasani bathi eligaslam sani bathi ntwana uzotandazawa asabe standazawa athi ngono ngithi ngivuke mama ngoba impilo yami yahlokoloza ngithi impilo ngathi yayihlokoloza asabe shu hlokoloza athi ngasondlula uphambasani asabe elikaslamsani athi khona uzotyanda sawa asabe sityanda sawa ethi ngono ngithi ngivuke mama ngoba impilo yami iyahlokoloza bathi impilo ngathi iyahlokoloza hlokoloza
Sakatsi Kush, thank you, Nyabonga Bafit.